So it's time for my gardening week video, and there's been very little gardening, surprisingly or unsurprisingly, done this week. So I hope everybody's had a great Christmas. We certainly have, and we're carrying on with our Christmas celebrations for a few more days. And so we're still not doing any gardening. I think really the only thing that I have to report is we did a lovely harvest for Christmas, which you might have seen in a dedicated video on that topic. And we were very pleased with that. That was probably our best actual Christmas harvest, and we're continuing to harvest. I'm just doing the harvest today, and it's a tiny little harvest because everybody's got loads of leftovers from Christmas, so we're only really harvesting for Debbie and I, and so it's a nice little micro harvest, and we're away for quite a bit of the week as well, so we don't need as much as usual. We have harvested some of our grow light salads and also the first of our grow light radishes, and they worked out really nicely. I'm very pleased with the salads, although I do need to fine tune things a little bit because I've got a little bit of tip burn on them, and that is a kind of combination, I think, of too much light, not enough ventilation, because ventilation results in transpiration, and transpiration draws nutrients out of the soil, so a little bit of nutrient shortage, a little bit too much light, but it's all fine tuning for next year. This year it's given us a great harvest, so we can only improve, I think. So I think that is it for the gardening week. My name's Steve, this is the Seaside Kitchen Garden and Allotment channel, and I'll just show you the harvest and then I'll see you next time. So this is today's little harvest, and this is actually much more typical of what Debbie and I will eat in a week, because we're only harvesting for ourselves. And so we've got lots of salads, pretty nice. Quite a lot of those are the grow light salads. Salad onions, leeks, carrots, salad carrots in there as well. Field bean tops, colettes, mixed brassicas, more mixed brassicas, spinach, sprouts, red sprouts, look at those. Tiny. Purple sprouting broccoli, the grow light radishes, and oca, and one lonely little Jerusalem artichoke that I found on the allotment that I lost last time I was there. So that's pretty good, and to that we would add things from the store: potatoes, beetroot, garlic, onions, all that sort of thing.